Welcome to this presentation on Complibot, a compliant external pipe climbing robot. This research was conducted by Saurav Kumar Datta et al. And published in 10th February 2023. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Our work addresses a critical theoretical gap in robotic pipe inspection and maintenance. Current methods often expose human workers to hazardous environments or involve robots that are either too bulky, energy inefficient, or lack the necessary payload capacity for effective non destructive testing equipment. Existing inchworm type robots, while capable of higher loads, typically rely on continuously powered gripping mechanisms, leading to significant energy consumption and increased weight due to complex actuation systems. Our central hypothesis is that a novel, compliant, energy efficient gripping mechanism, specifically one leveraging a bistable buckled beam, can be integrated into an inchworm type robot to achieve robust, slip free vertical movement with a superior payload to weight ratio. This approach assumes that inchworm locomotion is inherently more suitable for high load applications compared to wheel designs, and that bistable compliant mechanisms offer a distinct advantage in maintaining a gripped state without continuous power input. Our Complibot system aims to demonstrate this by utilizing a bistable buckled beam for gripping, actuated by a simple camshaft and lever mechanism, and employing two-stepper motor-driven lead screws for inchworm locomotion. Our methodology involved both rigorous mathematical modeling and extensive experimental validation. For the mathematical framework, we began by analyzing the bifurcation buckling problem for a fixed straight unstressed column. This involved solving a fourth-order differential equation that describes the beam's deflection under axial load. We then formulated the potential energy of the bistable buckled beam, considering contributions from bending energy, compression energy, and the work potential due to the applied transverse load. To approximate the beam's profile and predict its behavior, we employed the Rayleigh-Ritz method, utilizing a combination of symmetric and asymmetric mode shapes. Specifically, we adopted the numerical approach by Kazarts and colleagues, which involves deriving both general and particular solutions to the governing equations. Experimentally, we developed a setup to precisely measure the vertical deflection and the critical snapping load of various beam configurations. We systematically varied beam dimensions, including length, width, and thickness, and measured their response to different axial deflections. The actuation system for our gripper consists of a camshaft and lever mechanism powered by a single direct current motor. The cam profiles were meticulously designed using cycloidal and 8th-order polynomial functions to ensure smooth, continuous velocity and acceleration, thereby minimizing jerk during the gripping and ungripping cycles. Our results provide a comprehensive understanding of both the gripper's performance and the overall robot's capabilities. For the gripper design parameters, we found excellent agreement between the experimentally obtained vertical deflection values and our numerical predictions. However, the numerical model consistently overestimated the snapping load compared to experimental measurements. This discrepancy is primarily attributed to real-world factors such as beam fabrication tolerances and uncertainties in material properties, leading us to prioritize experimental data for design decisions. Based on this, we selected an optimal bistable buckled beam with a length of 100 mm, a width of 20 mm, and a thickness of 0.5 mm, subjected to an axial deflection of 3 mm. This configuration yielded a snapping load of 45.78 newtons and a vertical deflection of 10.79 millimeters, crucially avoiding the plastic deformation observed at higher axial deflections. Turning to the full Complibot system, it successfully demonstrated slip-free climbing on polyvinyl chloride pipes with diameters ranging from 105 to 115 millimeters. The robot achieved a consistent climbing velocity of 0.2 meters per minute with a power consumption of 18.58 watts. Critically, Complibot exhibited a maximum load carrying capacity of 114.64 newtons, which includes the robot's own weight of 75.4 newtons, resulting in a competitive payload to weight ratio of 0.52. The theoretical implications of Complibot's design are significant for the field of compliant robotics. The successful integration of a bistable buckled beam as an energy-efficient gripping mechanism validates the immense potential of compliant mechanisms for robust robotic applications, particularly in scenarios where continuous power for gripping is a critical constraint. Furthermore, the choice of inchworm locomotion, coupled with a parallel manipulator-like structural configuration, inherently mitigates common tip-over failure modes, This simplifies the overall stability control compared to other climbing robot designs that may have off-center gravity or require complex balancing algorithms. Our design also demonstrates a substantial reduction in actuator count, utilizing only 4 actuators, and significantly improves energy efficiency for gripping when compared to more complex parallel manipulators or continuously powered pneumatic systems found in the literature. This work directly challenges the prevailing notion that high payload capacity necessarily requires complex, multi actuator gripping systems or continuous power consumption. It opens new avenues for developing more compact, lighter, and potentially more autonomous climbing robots for a wide array of industrial inspection and maintenance tasks. However, it's important to acknowledge a current limitation. The single degree of freedom climbing mechanism restricts Complibot to straight or low curvature pipes. This limitation highlights a critical area for future innovation in compliant robotics, specifically in developing adaptable climbing mechanisms that can navigate more complex pipe geometries. In conclusion, we have successfully designed, developed, and thoroughly validated Complibot, a compliant external pipe climbing robot. Our core contribution lies in its novel, energy efficient gripping mechanism, which leverages the inherent bistability of a buckled beam, actuated by a remarkably simple camshaft and lever system. This design enables robust, slip free inchworm locomotion, achieving a significant payload capacity of 114.64 newtons and a competitive payload to weight ratio of 0.52, all while consuming minimal power for maintaining its grip. Looking ahead, our research will focus on several key directions. First, we aim to enhance mobility and adaptability by investigating alternative climbing mechanisms such as soft robotics or serial revolute prismatic mechanisms. This will enable Complibot to navigate complex pipe geometries, including 90-degree bends and T-junctions, without compromising its stability or payload capacity. Second, we plan to integrate advanced sensing and autonomy capabilities. This includes incorporating sophisticated non-destructive testing equipment for comprehensive structural health monitoring, such as ultrasonic eddy current and magnetic flux leakage testing, alongside developing advanced control algorithms for fully autonomous operation and obstacle avoidance. Finally, we will pursue optimization and application expansion, conducting topology optimization of the gripper and the overall robot structure to further increase the payload to weight ratio and explore broader applications beyond industrial inspection, such as agricultural harvesting.